What's going on, YouTube? Got another unboxing for you guys today. Today I have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now this one's been out for a while. I was gonna get the flip, but then I looked at those wings, the way it unfolded, didn't really like that. And then I looked at the DJI Air 3S. But once I saw the price of the batteries, I said, no, to replace the batteries, I went, no, I'm good getting the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So we're gonna roll with this one. All right, so they had to take the plastic off in the store and just open the box so I can see it. That's how they do it here in South America. But they didn't take anything out of the plastic. So for those of you who've seen a bunch of these unboxings, you know you get the bag because I bought the combo. So let's set the box to the side. So here is the combo that you get. Let's take this off. And let's open up this. I do from time to time use this bag, so that's why I wanted to get the combo as well. But let's start with, first thing we're greeted with here is the controller. So I have a bunch of drones, but this is the first time I have one of these controllers. And I think you can use these on other drones, but none of the ones I currently have, I can use it on. So it can only be this one. So we'll get to that. Here is the battery kit with the 2 extra batteries in here. And then here is the drone itself. What else do we get in here? And then we get, looks like some props and some USB-A to USB-C. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of props in here. We also get an instruction manual, some other documentation here with a QR code, probably telling you to connect to DJI Fly app, which I already have. So all this can go back and we can just concentrate on those 3 things there to unbox. Let's start with this, which is the remote. It'll be nice not having to use my phone or my iPad mini when connecting this, so, okay. And then where are the sticks? So the sticks are here in the back. Okay, cool. All right, put this in right. Does this have any power? Yeah, so it does have power. Oh, you gotta set this thing up. Okay, English. And I hope it ain't like it was with, I'm in Colombia. I hope it's not like it was when I hooked up my Osmo Action 5 Pro. It makes you go through all these damn prompts. All right, so man, this remote is so damn sensitive when typing all this in. Jesus, it took forever, but finally got it squared away. It's doing an update. All right, so let's move to this battery pack. Charging kit. All right, so like I said, these batteries are far cheaper than the batteries for the Air 3S or any of the Pro versions. Man, you damn near like buying another drone. So let's see what else we got here. The last pack is the drone itself. So this is the first time me having this body style. I'm used to the other body style that's on here, and I'm glad it comes with the little connector here to hold the props, so I don't have to buy one. I had to buy one for my Mini SE2 from Amazon, so let's take that off. Any other stickers we got on here? Some on the camera. Okay, so let's take this off. Undo that, undo that. Okay. So we got a few stickers here. All right. Saw the stickers off the camera, except here at the bottom. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. Well, we got a bunch of stickers on it. I forgot this one actually rotates, so I gotta learn how to do that to shoot an 9x16. So unfolding this should be the same as all the other ones. Okay, so this is reverse. It goes underneath. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And it should be a battery in here. Got all these stickers off. That's all the sensors. Oh, it turns on back here in the back. So this battery's completely dead. Are all these completely dead? Yeah, they're all completely dead. So I gotta charge all these up. I'll be back. Let me go ahead and start charging these up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so I put a small charge on the drone. So let's see if we can connect this. Had to update this. I'm sure this drone is gonna have to be updated as well. Now we got some updates. New firmware update. Looks like there's 3. So this could be a minute, but let me just say, I went ahead and I got the combo, like I said, because the battery cost, right? The battery cost right now is ridiculous for these little drones. So I advise anybody really look into, if you're gonna buy a drone, which one you plan on keeping for a while and the battery cost. So me picking up this one means I'm gonna sell my Mini SE2. It's a cool little drone, you know, but the camera quality is good, but I want it better to match some of the action footage and the camera footage like I have right now using my Sony ZV-1. Right. Let me go ahead and let this get done, hook everything up, move these cameras around, and that'll be it for this video.